everyone. It's so good to see you again.
And I'm here too. Hello.
Today is a big day, Inko. We're going to the airport.
The airport? Already? I don't know what to say to anyone.
That's exactly why we're going. We're going to learn together.
You really think I can do it?
I know you can, and our listener can too.
Okay, I'll try.
Then let's go. Look, Inko, we're here. The airport entrance.
The airport? It's so big and so bright, and there are so many people.
That means it's exciting.
That means I'm scared.
Don't be. We just walk inside.
But what if the doors don't open for me?
They open for everyone. Watch.
Penny, they opened.
Of course. See, you're already winning.
I guess that wasn't too bad.
Now take a look around.
Wow, screens everywhere, people everywhere, bags everywhere.
And we can handle all of it.
I hope so.
Read that screen.
Gate A12, I think.
Yes, good job.
I thought the little coffee cup was a gate sign.
A gate to coffee.
I would go through that gate.
Okay, Inko. Step 1. Check in.
Right. Check in. The scary place where people talk fast.
Not scary. Just say one sentence.
One sentence?
Yes. Say, I'd like to check in, please.
I'd like to check in, please.
That was perfect.
Really?
Say it again.
I'd like to check in, please.
Again.
I'd like to check in, please.
One more.
I'd like to check in, please.
Maybe not so loud.
Sorry. I panicked.
Look at you walking. You look confident.
I do?
Yes, very professional.
Penny, someone looked at me.
Because you look adorable.
No, they heard me shouting earlier.
You only shouted a little.
A little is too much for me.
Look at that sign.
The one with the flying suitcase?
It's not flying. It means baggage drop.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Maybe. A flying suitcase would be fun.
With a little cape.
And tiny goggles.
And it carries you instead of you carrying it.
You're getting distracted.
Sorry. Airports make my imagination explode. Penny, my legs feel like warm spaghetti.
That's okay. Warm spaghetti is flexible.
I don't want to be flexible. I want to be calm.
Then breathe.
In, out, in, out.
Better?
A little.
Remember the phrase.
I'd like to check in, please.
Yes, you're doing great.
Penny, will you talk first?
Always.
And I just copy you?
You speak with me.
Like a team?
Like a team.
Okay, then I'm ready.
Good, because we're almost at the counter.
Already?
Yes.
Penny, hold my hand.
You don't have hands.
Then hold my clip.
Come here, brave little pen.
Okay, let's do this together.
Together.
Penny, I did it. I walked into the airport.
You did more than that. You spoke English.
And I didn't faint.
That's something to celebrate.
I actually feel proud.
You should, and our listeners should too.
Listener, thank you for being with us.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe so you can learn with us every day.
And maybe leave a like. It helps Penny stay shiny.
And Inko stay confident.
Penny, what are we learning next time?
Next episode, Hotel English.
Hotel English. That sounds scary too.
Don't worry, you'll learn it.
With you and our listener?
Always.
Then I'm ready for the next adventure.
Let's go.